Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, your African mama, Faithdominic in the beauty. So today we are gonna have chill with me on a Sunday with my hobby. Okay, so we're just having a little dinner party. Understand? Then so I'm making these noodles. I use my noodles agreement too. So I've already parboiled it. Then what I need, my green beans, carrots, and onions with my sardine. Then I use one title. Then a little bit of oil. Understand? I use a king's oil. Then 3 egg. Then my tomatoes, just one seed of tomatoes. So let's just get into the process. It's not just hard, just frying my egg first. Understand? Remember, fry the egg first before anything, so that you will not waste the oil. So and don't is it as in don't just open the egg and put it inside. Just take it, open the egg and make sure the ground seeds have already heat up. Then open the egg and put it in there. Okay, just wash and blend, please. Wash and blend.
썼던 눈물이 이젠 아까워 견딜 수가 없는 걸. 이제 너는 내 안에 없어. 후회와 또 미련도 더는 없어. 사람들은 내게 말을 해 널 잊어버리라고. 넌 절대 좋은 남자가 아니래. 나만 모르고 있던 네 모습 바보 같았던 날. Bye 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 leave me by. There's no reason why. Bye bye reason why. 너 어떻게 날 이제는 leave me by. But you still in my mind, in my mind.
A bit fried, then make sure you take it out after frying. Okay, so wash and lane, like I said.
영원할 것만 같았던 그때의 너와 내가 다시 시작한다면 바뀌었을까. 그럴 리 없겠지. 넌 또 항상 내게 lie 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 lie. Bye 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 leave me by. There's no reason why. Bye bye reason why. 놓아줄게 날 이제는 leave me by. But you still in my mind, in my mind. Bye 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 leave me by. There's no reason why. Bye bye reason why. 놓아줄게 날 이제는 leave me by. But you still in my mind, in my mind. Spend a day looking blank out the window. All looks great in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo. Nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow. Shadows lurk all around in my sorrow. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it.
Before you fry, make sure you ask the person that's eating the noodles with you if you like fried or cooked indomie, because this one is like not fried indomie, it's like cooked Indomie. So after this, where the designing comes to place. After serving like this, not that fine. You see, it's not fine. So you need to design it with your sliced onions and your sliced tomatoes. So do your best. I know you will do this more better than me. Okay, so that is just it. Okay, but don't forget this step. This is very, very important. This is what will make the noodles will be so attractive, so very attractive. You see what my husband will do to these noodles. Like seriously, after everything, you will not even wait. He not even wait for me to just finish my video. He can't wait it because it was looking so tempting. Seriously. So we ate the noodles, we watched television, enjoy the rest of our day. Okay.
I'm a sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you.